Namaskar, Manthra.
Namaskar, Shastri Garu.
In RigVedam, you said that the first mantra of RigVedam, Agni Mele Purohitam, it has 64,800 meanings, right?
Yeah, see, the point is it can be having more meanings.
Okay.
But in my research, I think I can get 64,800 meanings.
Can you please explain that?
Yeah, sure. So let's see the next slide.
Okay.
So in this slide, you can see this mantra. Let me chant the mantra.
Yeah, please chant.
Om Agnimile Purohitam Yagnasya Deva Mritvijam Hotaram Ratnadhatamam. In this mantra, the Rishi is Madhuchanda Rishi, who first meditated on God and got the meaning of this mantra.
Okay.
And the Chandas is Gayatri, and the Devata for this mantra is Agni.
Okay.
And the Swara is Shadjamaswaram.
Okay.
Now what I sang is not Shadjamaswaram.
Okay.
It is Data Anudatalu.
Okay.
So that is the 7 parts, first parts, which stresses where we have to put the meaning of that mantra.
Okay.
So it indicates the meaning of the mantra. But Shadjamaswaram is a song-like thing. Okay, so in this mantra, you can see that I split the words Agnim, Ile, Purohitam, Yagnasya, Devam, Ritwijam, Hotaram, Ratnadatamam. So this, for each word we have so many meanings. For example, you can see Agni. So the Agni has so many meanings. Can you count the meanings, Shastriji?
Yeah, 24.
About 24. Okay, you can have more also. You see, I did not give these meanings.
Yeah.
These meanings are given by Yaska Muni, Rishi Yaska, who wrote the Niruktam, the dictionary for the Vedic terms.
Oh, okay.
So, and similarly, the next slide, you can see that Ile has one meaning, and Purohitam one meaning. Then Yagna, how many meanings, Shastri Garu?
15.
15. Okay.
Yeah.
So in the next slide, you can see that Yagna has 15 meanings, correct?
Yeah.
And then you can see Asya. Asya, how many?
1.
1. Then Devam?
4.
4. Then Ritwijam?
5.
5. Alright. So then Hotaram?
3.
3. Okay. Ratna?
Ratna is 1.
And Dhatamam?
3.
Okay. So in this way, you can see that if I have 24 meanings for Agni and Yagna has 15 meanings, if I have to take one word from those meanings and one word from Yagna, so if I combine them like that, permute and combination, so then what happens is the 24 times of Agni and 15 times of Yagna will be multiplied to give the number of meanings. So if you go now to the next slide, you can see Agni 24 and Ile 1, then Purohitam 1, then Yagna 15, then Asya 1, then Devam 4, Ritwijam 5, and then Hotaram 3,
Ratnam 1,
Ratnam 1,
Dhatamam 3.
Dhatamam 3. So if you multiply all these numbers,
Yeah,
okay, then you get 64,800 meanings. So, but will they give all of them give the meaning is the question. That is where you have to do the penance.
Oh, okay.
So see, it is not that you put a word here and get the meaning. No, you don't get the meaning. You don't understand the meaning like that. You have to do penance. You have to pray God daily and think about this meaning.
Oh.
And see, you have to keep Agni as the Devata and then rotate everything around him.
Oh, okay.
So around the Agni you have to rotate. So Agni is a material and Agni is also God. So therefore we have to rotate among them. So for example, Ile is praising and praying. Praising comes for both Agni, that is physical Agni, object, that is fire, and also for God. But praying does not come for physical Agni. It comes for God. Because physical Agni is a material. So it doesn't accept prayers, it accepts praises. What do you mean by it accepts praises? When I am praising a material, I am knowing its properties.
Yeah.
For example, I say this is a computer. This is made from Apple company. It has so much of memory. It can do so many calculations. It can store so much of material. This type of thing is called as praising.
Yes.
But if I keep praying the computer, oh computer do something, it won't do anything.
Yeah.
So you have to pray God
Yeah.
And then know the material properties and all, and you know the meanings. This is how you'll come to know the meaning of this mantra. At least 64,800 different meanings can come, and you can write a book on that, and we will be writing soon that book and give it to the public.
Sure. So, according to so in the Vedam, all the meanings or all the stanzas, whatever are written, mantras are written, are they praising only Agni or all the different gods also?
It's not God. See, it's not different gods. God is only one.
Okay.
RigVedam deals with material properties, right from atom to God. Every material property is written in RigVeda.
Okay.
So at first God gave Agni,
Okay.
and then he started giving Vayu, then Aditya, Varuna, and so on and so on. So here Vayu is a Devata, means it's a divine material. It is not something, a physical form like 4 hands, 10 hands or something like that. No, Vayu can be God name also. Vayu can be material name also. It is like this. In this mantra, it's in Slesha Alankara. Slesha Alankara means it can give one or more meanings. So it gave 2 meanings. It is for gods, on the aspect of God and the aspect of fire.
Okay.
So on the aspect of God, we can derive many meanings. On the aspect of fire, we can derive many meanings. So it's a Slesha Alankara, we say. So similarly, Vayu, Indra, Varuna, they can be God name or material name.
Okay.
So God is not gods.
Okay.
There's no gods, only God. There's no plural form.
Oh.
God is singular.
Oh. Okay.
So He is not many forms. It's only one form. It's only God. There's nothing like God, gods, or Varuna God is different, Agni God is different. No. Agni material is different, Varuna material is different. But if the God name is Varuna or God name is Agni, he has similar properties to Vayu or similar properties to Varuna or similar properties to Agni. That's the meaning of that.
Oh. Sure, sir. You have given us a very good insight about this. In the next meeting, we'll discuss more on some other topic also.
Definitely, Shastri Garu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste. Namaste.